In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Then select App Notifications at the top and click on All at the top on the left. Now apply the best option for you by clicking on it. In my case, Most Frequent. Then tap on blue switcher next to your app in order to block all notifications from it. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!